Welcome to Resource AI Hub. A typical managed cloud Postgres server costs roughly $744 per month. Running that database locally backed up continuously to cloud storage costs just 3 cents per month. This eliminates managed database services and monthly cloud database bills entirely. Traditional web development advice says production applications need dedicated database servers and caching tiers. Combining server-side SQLite with Litstream folds that entire multi-tier stack back into your process. SQLite is already the most deployed engine on Earth, running in phones, browsers, and cars. The primary historical barrier to server-side SQLite has always been single-machine storage reliance. If the underlying cloud server fails or disappears, unbacked local database files are lost forever. Litstream eliminates this failure point by running directly alongside your application as a background sidecar. Engineered by Ben Johnson, creator of BoltDB underlying Kubernetes, it continuously monitors SQLite state. Litstream watches the write-ahead log and streams transaction changes directly to cheap object storage. Write transactions flow instantly to services like Amazon S3, Backblaze B2, or Google Cloud Storage. When a host crashes, you fetch the snapshot and replay transaction logs to restore state. Postgres queries require fiber network round trips, wasting roughly 1 millisecond per query in transit. Building a page with 12 Postgres queries loses 15 milliseconds just waiting on network responses. SQLite runs inside your application process, resolving query calls in 10 to 20 microseconds. That microsecond response rate makes SQLite 50 to 100 times faster per query. Microsecond query speeds eliminate common application bottlenecks like N+1 database query issues. SQLite write-ahead log mode supports parallel concurrent readers without blocking active process operations. While write operations use a single writer, standard hardware handles tens of thousands of writes per second. For perspective, Expensify runs SQLite at 4 million queries per second on one server. Red traffic scales easily by replicating read-only SQLite database files across balanced servers. Local test suites execute in seconds while user interfaces achieve immediate response times. Production evaluation requires reviewing 3 distinct architectural trade-offs before migrating off traditional databases. Restoring massive multi-gigabyte databases from object storage log streams takes minutes rather than seconds. Ephemeral environments like AWS, Lambda clear ephemeral disk storage too quickly for persistent replication. Applications requiring heavy concurrent writes across multiple continents should remain on traditional Postgres systems. Understanding write limitations ensures proper database engine selection for high concurrency systems. 99% of standard web applications fit comfortably within SQLite's single writer limits. Solo founders gain massive operational simplicity by eliminating external database server management. Configuring Litstream takes just a few lines of declarative YAML targeting your cloud storage bucket. You remove external network dependencies while retaining full point-in-time disaster recovery capabilities. Pocket Change cloud storage bills replace multi-$100 monthly managed server invoices completely. Embedding your database locally unlocks immense performance headroom with minimal operational overhead. One file backed up continuously provides a production-ready path for modern backend services. Check out Litstream on GitHub to simplify your database stack today.